Hello.
Hi. You cracked it. I got stuck. Couldn't do the differentiation.
I told you, all you needed to do was to flip it. And shine your eyes. You need to think outside the box, guy.
I just realized after looking at your work.
Always read the fine print.
You've got me, eh? You are merciless.
Oh, am I intruding?
Hey.
What's funny?
Imagine that. Come here, you snoop.
Hello, Ikwa.
Oh, howdy, darling. You look glamorous as usual.
So, what have you been up to?
Reading
Oh, great. What are you reading?
about hand washing. Did you know 1 in 3 children could be saved from diarrhea if they just wash their hands alone constantly?
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Yup, it can also reduce the incidence of colds by 20%.
Why? Do you work for the WHO?
About 1.8 million children under 5 years die each year from diarrheal diseases and pneumonia, the top 2 killers of young children around the world.
I see. Thanks for the education, Jane.
You're welcome. Honestly, in this COVID era, we must all be hygienic. Wash our hands, use hand sanitizers, wear face masks, do social distancing, like no unnecessary movement.
Madam.
Hey, madam. Okay, guys. Meet my younger brother Joseph, aka Farmer Joseph. Joseph, meet Ellie and Jane.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Joseph.
Hi! Can you send some oranges over? I'm serious. I need my vitamin C, found plentifully in oranges.
True, especially these organically cultivated ones.
Ooh, you're wicked.
Okay. So my brother Joseph is an agric buff and he follows after his father. We know who inherits the farm.
That's so exciting. So are you from the farm?
No, from my garden, these are some of the first fruits from a tree I planted 3 years ago.
Wow, that's so cool.
Hey.
Huh? Okay, then. Maybe next time I'll show you my garden.
Cool, I'll be waiting.
Sure. All right, guys. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Fine, I get it. I'll leave now. Ikwa, be safe.
Be safe to honey.
You smart for your own good.
I know, my kind of woman.
I know you are a #1 fan.
Uh-huh.
Hey, do you know what I found?
What?
Do you know the meaning of Ghana?
Yes, it means warrior king. It's the title of kings from the medieval Ghana Empire.
You killjoy. At least grant me a small win.
Oh, you have to keep on trying, darling. Don't forget I'm the descendant of the great Sundiata, the worthy Mansa Musa, and the brave Yasantwa.
You are too much. Or is it too known?
Hey, I'm just showing off.